everyone! Thanks for tuning into my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a willow square. It's like a granny square but a little bit more advanced and has this lovely floral design. I'm using a 4mm crochet hook in a medium weight cotton yarn, but any yarn and corresponding hook size that you want to use will be fine, so let's get started. Okay, with color number 1, make sure you leave a tail to weave in the end. Make a slip knot. Insert your hook. Tighten it up, but not too tight. And we're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and slip stitch into that first chain to make a loop. You could also use a magic circle here if you prefer. And now round 1, we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. That's going to count as our first double crochet stitch. And we want a total of 16, so we're going to do 15 more right into the center right here. Don't go in here by accident. We want to make sure we're going in the center of all the stitches. So double crochet is a yarn over. We're doing US terms here, so insert through the center, pull the yarn through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Alright, and so just go and do the next 14 double crochet right into the center, and I'm also being mindful of my end, and I'm just kind of weaving it, working around the end too, so that it's already partially woven in. See, I'm just working around it. Okay, with round 2, second color, make another slip knot. And now you can insert into any stitch for this part. I kind of like to offset it a little bit just so my tails aren't like stacked up on top of each other. It just kind of balances out where all the ends are in the end when you weave them in. But yeah, any stitch is fine, and we're going to insert through the top of one of those double crochets, pull the yarn through, and just slip stitch to fasten on. Round 2 starts with a chain 3. That again will count as our first double crochet stitch. Now chain 1 more. That'll be like a chain between double crochet stitches now. So do a double crochet into the next stitch and chain 1. Double crochet into the next stitch, chain 1. So just repeat that all the way around. You should still have 16 double crochet stitches, just this time there's a chain in between each of them. Alright, when you get back to where we started, count your stitches to make sure you have 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh yes, chain 1 here, and then slip stitch. You want to slip stitch into the 1, 2, the third chain here to end the round. Alright, so that's what round 2 looks like, and you can again cut your yarn, pull that tail through the last loop, and now we will do round 3. So grab color number 3, make another slip knot, And again, you can insert into the top of any double crochet from the previous round. So insert, do a slip stitch to fasten on, just like we did before. Chain 3, that counts as our first double crochet. And now double crochet 2 into the space between stitches from the previous round. 1, 2. And now double crochet into the top of that double crochet. And then do 2 more between double crochets. Okay, so we're just doing 1 directly on top of our double crochet and then 2 in between. And repeat that all the way around. And then to end round 3, again, we're doing a slip stitch into the top of this chain 3 that we started with. And you can go ahead and cut your yarn. Pull that tail through, and now we will start round 4. Color number 4. Make another slip knot. We're going to fasten on right at the top of that chain where we did our slip stitch. So slip stitch to fasten on. And then chain 1. And that chain 1 is going to count as our first single crochet. And now we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. We're going to skip these first 2 stitches and then single crochet into the 3rd stitch. Alright, now chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip 2 stitches and single crochet into the 3rd stitch. Okay, now we're going to chain 3 again. 2, 3. Single crochet into the 3rd stitch. Okay, so we're always skipping 2 going into the 3rd stitch. And okay, so we had a chain 3, chain 4, chain 3, and now we're going to do chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 2 and single crochet into that 3rd stitch. Okay, so this chain 5 is going to be our corner space, and then this 3, 4, 3 is going to be the side. So you're going to want to repeat this all the way around. So that's a 4 section repeat. I'll do it with you one more time. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 2, single crochet. Chain 4, 2, 3, 4, skip 2, single crochet. Back to 3, skip 2, single crochet, and then chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skip 2, and single crochet. Alright, so just repeat that all the way around. Again, the pattern is chain 3, chain 4, chain 3, chain 5. And you should have exactly 4 sets of those by the time you get to the other round. Alright, so at the end of round 4, you should be ending with that chain 5. There should be 2 more stitches left. and we're going to end the round with a slip stitch into that first chain, remember, because it counts as a single crochet right here. So go into that first chain we did and slip stitch to end the round. Alright, that's what the end of round 4 looks like. And we're going to use the same color for round 5. And we're just going to slip stitch into this chain 3 space. And then chain 1. Again, this will count as our first single crochet. And now we're going to move to this chain 4 space and do 7 double crochets. All into that chain 4 space. 1, 2, 3, 7. And now do a single crochet into the next chain space. And now into our chain 5 space is going to be our corner, and we're going to do 5 double crochet, chain 3, 5 double crochet. Start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and 5 more into the same space. Okay, now single crochet into the chain 3 space. And that is the repeat we're going to do all the way around. So go single crochet, 7 double crochet, single crochet, and then the corner. Okay, so we're going to do 7 more now, just like we did here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Single crochet into the chain 3 space, and then do another corner of 5 double crochet, chain 3, 5 double crochet. Three, and single crochet into that chain 3 space. Okay, so every chain 3 space we did in the previous round is a single crochet. The chain 5 spaces are corners, and those chain 4 spaces are the sides. So go ahead and repeat this all the way around. Alright, so towards the end of round 5, you should have 4 corners and 4 sides. And we will end the round with a slip stitch into that chain 1 that I said counts as a single crochet. Slip stitch to end the round, and you can go ahead and cut your yarn. Pull that tail through that last loop, and now moving on to round 6 using our 5th color. Make a slip knot, and we're going to fasten on right where we left off into this chain 1 or single crochet, right where we did our slip stitch. So do another slip stitch to fasten on, and chain 3, 2, 3. This will count as a double crochet. And now chain another 3 and single crochet into the 4th stitch of the set of 7. So it should be right the one on top, the center one. But you can always count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then do a single crochet, and then chain 3. Now do a double crochet into the top of this single crochet from previous round. Now chain 4. And into the corner space, we're going to do a single crochet, chain 3, and another single crochet. And now we will chain 4, 2, 3, 4, double crochet into the top of this single crochet, chain 3, single crochet into that 4th, double crochet, chain 3 again, double crochet into this single crochet, chain 4, 2, 3, 4, and again into the corner we will do a single crochet, chain 3, and another single crochet. Okay, so do that all the way around. Again, we have chain 3s on either side here, and then chain 4s adjacent to the corner space here. So do that all the way around. I'll do one more with you. Chain 4, 2, 3, 4, double crochet, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, double crochet, chain 4, and the corner. All right. Okay, one more repeat of that. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and we're going to, it might look like it's buckling a little bit, but it's fine. And end this round with a slip stitch into the 3rd chain, right? Because those first 3 count as a double crochet. So count up 1, 2, 3, slip stitch, oops, slip stitch to end the round. Okay, round 7. Do a slip stitch into this chain space. Chain 3 counts as our first double crochet, and we're going to do 3 in total. So do 2 more. Okay, 1, 2, 3. We're going to do 3 double crochet into the next chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3. And now into this chain 4 space, we're going to do 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now into this little corner space here, we're going to do 3 double crochet, chain 3, followed by 3 more double crochet. So, 2, 3, chain 3, and we're going to squeeze in 3 more into that same corner space. All right. Moving on, chain 4 space gets 5 double crochet, just like we did here. Two, 4, 5. Okay, and then we're going to do 3 in each of these chain 3 spaces. We're going to repeat this all the way around. 3, 3 more into the next one, and then 5 into the chain 4 space. And then we'll do the corner. Again, it's 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet. Okay, so just repeat that all the way around. So each side should have 5 stitches in the chain 4 spaces, and then 3, 3, 3, and 3. This is what we have at the end of round 6. You can end the round with a slip stitch into the top of that chain 3. You could stop here at the end of round 7, cut your yarn and weave in your ends, and then make a bunch of these squares for a project. Or if you want a little bit more of a border around each square, we can go ahead and continue on to round 8. So round 8, we'll start with a chain 3. That will count as our first double crochet stitch, and we're just going to go around the square doing 1 double crochet in each stitch. When you get to the corner space, you're going to do 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet. 1, 2, chain 3, and 2 more. And just keep going, doing 1 in each stitch all the way around, and doing the corners the same way with 2 chain 3 and 2 double crochet. Here are those 2 versions of the willow square again. Hopefully that's all making sense. Let me know if you guys have any questions about how to do this. You could do it with 1 color, 2 colors, however many. You can switch colors wherever you want. You can get creative and make all kinds of things just with the squares, so have fun everybody. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe and like my video, and stay tuned for my newest projects.